Down a couple fingers. And okay, tap on the table, just your fingers. Just your fingertips. Shh. And now use your and now a little bit louder. Now put your hands right on the table. Okay, now swish them around. Does that sound kind of like rain in the wind?
Yeah.
Okay, now take your fingernails. Tap on the table. Okay, and freeze. Okay, put your hands around. All right, this table. You're going to do this, okay? Everybody's going to go like that, okay? This table, we're going to use your fingernails.
Yeah.
When I say it. Okay? This table, you're going to do your fingernails. Okay, maybe you can do your fingernails. This table, you're going to do lightly like this. Okay. And this table, you're going to go. Okay? You ready? Is everybody ready? You know what you're doing? Okay, we're going to start this table. Okay, swish. Start swishing. Keep swishing the whole time. Okay. Start with your fingernails. Okay. Keep going, keep going. Keep going.
Oh my gosh, it's raining in our classroom. It's raining in our classroom. It's raining.